Hello, ndikulandireni muli bwanji nonse. Phunziro lathu lero tikufuna tipitirize ndi phunziro limene linayamba sabata latha. Tipitirize ndi masets. Muli ndine Sisero Chuma sabata ino. Pa masets amenewa tsambira napanga kale my colleague Mr. Nyondo. Leo ningomalizitsa magawo atatu amene anatsalira kuti timalize lesson yonse ya masets. So what we are going to do today, we are going to describe the sets. Then after describing them, we are going to describe set builder notation. After that, we are going to identify elements of union of 2 or 3 sets. Then after that, we'll try to solve difficult problems concerning sets, of course using Venn diagrams. So let's be together. I hope you are going to enjoy this lesson. Describing set builder notation. In definition, tutaona kuti it's another way imene magwisa ntchito kuti mupange represent masets. Tupanga masets, mapanga masets ndi Mr. Nyondo. Maona mene amapangira ndi pali njira inanso imene timayenera kupanga. So we're going to discuss that. Basically, nkati mwa seti matokhala ndi unknown kapena variable. Okay, when we talk of unknown, you can have a set like this one, and you can only have an unknown like that one, x. Okay, and that unknown needs to have zinthu zina zoti zimpange describe kuti set yathu ikwanire. Okay, now that unknown is followed by a vertical line, okay, like that. Or okay, let's have another set like that one. Or a semicolon, which means such that. So sets mugaona jonche, just know nina kuti ngati aiga that variable or unknown know that chimene chikutanthauza kuti such that, which means that vertical line and this semicolon, that semicolon there akuyimirira such that. So the vertical colon is followed by description of the elements. So akulu awa kapena akulu awa ukuko kumakhala no description ukuthi set yanu ndichani. Okay, so that's what we are going to do much on this one. Okay, let's describe that by giving some examples. Yeah, in this one that's saying t is equal to, okay, this is the sign of set, curly bracket. Hope you did that. Curly bracket is a sign of set. So in this case, they're saying t. In this case, t, small t is our unknown. Okay, or variable. Okay, so unknown or variable t. Then we have that same colon. I mean, that's that vertical line. Okay, that's which stands for such that. Okay, it means such. Yeah, that one stands for such that. Sorry, such that. Okay, so that's t is a variable. That semicolon is such that. Then after this vertical line kapena semicolon zibazuitika kuchipatso zimene ziri t, that's our unknown. That semicolon is such that. Okay, yeah. So after this vertical line and that semicolon, after that it's just a description ya mmene set yanu ikuyenera kukhalira. Okay, just like mena kunena the vertical line or colon is followed by a description of elements. So ndimene statement imene imationetsa kuti set yathu ma elements ake ndotani. Okay, so these are just notation, how you can have a set, how you can write a set. Alright, yeah. So 10 tuone kuti kodi set imene itokhala yotani. Okay, so they're saying that's T. Okay, that's our set, curly bracket. So they're saying that T, this set contains my elements T, command that elements such that that element is all teachers at your school. So it depends on which school you are in, but I can send down. Okay, there have a mega list yonse ya minus punsit amina ba school ba. So that's this set. Telegeza muna balaji ntengo. Okay, Angoa. Okay, kaya Agobani. Okay, kaya Ajisomo. Yeah, like that. So what do you mean by for or bit the so nimana ngosolera apa akuruza lena kuti this set my elements ake para ntengo agoa agobani ajisomo aziphunzitsa mina ali pa school pan. Okay, example B zoyileka zake chimodzimodzi. So B will be equal to, yeah, curly bracket, elements is y, that's unknown, which we want to know, but such that y is less than 10. So unknown, such that description. So description that that variable y is less than 10, whereas y is a whole number. So less than 10 and also a whole number. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Yeah, they would set that to many. So that's just the description. Okay. Aba go to Z X. Yeah, that's a curly bracket, sorry. Okay. Yeah. So Z is our variable such that it's between -5 to +4. Okay? That's your set. My variables are not per minute. So Z is an integer. What is an integer? I think it's a whole number. Yeah, so this one between should be Z should be greater than that. So you have -4 there. So let's do this first. Yeah, you have -4. You have -3. You have -2. You have -1. You have 0. You have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that's your set of that one. Alright, so let's continue. Now we are going to identify elements of union of 2 or 3 sets. Alright, tikamakabaza union of 2 or 3 sets, basically it's everything which belongs to either both or all the three sets and represented by a symbol. Okay, symbol ya union is just like that. What's like a U, but it's that thing. Tikamagamba union, the union do bale. Okay, yeah. Tikamana kuti union do bale. Alright, tikana kuti chipani zipani ziwiri zaphatikizana. Okay, abanga union. Akamati chanchani union party. So that atengana gulu ili na gulilo abwera pamodzi. Ulo kapena kwaya. Amana kwaya A kapena kwaya B apanga union. Ndikuti mamember onse akwaya iyi, mamember onse akwaya iyi abwera pamodzi. Okay? Onse apanga union. Alright? Palitsanzo zambiri tingatopereka. Union ndikubweretsa zinthu zonse pamodzi. Pangobale ndithu. Posayang'anira kuti ena ndatsogolere pamenepo. Okay? Ngati makwaya atithanira kuti kukula kwaya master. Yeah, so titapeza kuti kodi amene anali makwaya master kumakwaya sali ndani. Ndimuona kuti pali intersection pale pachi. Yeah, kumati tikakamba za union tukamba za wina aliyense. Amene ali mu union imene. Amene ali makwaya amene. So basically that's that. Union so we can have that E as having those elements, and we can have set that one X having those elements, then we can have set having those elements, and we can have that one. So let's see what we got union to the okay. Now the X union Y, which might about the set which is going to be there. Okay, ndikuti ma elements onse amene ali muti mu X, ma elements onse amene ali mu Y akhale pamodzi. Okay, so mu X up mu X tili A D E. Okay, yeah, list the elements in the following sets. Yeah, tili A D, then Y. That's why. So A, B, E. Okay. So since A umalimu kale silimutenga, umalimu ngosalipo. B umulibe koma mwalimu, so tintenga. So let's do this. Okay. Then E. Abosalipo. So ubale wakuluwa wa X ndi Y ifada ali A umalimu umosalimo, D umalimu umosalimo, E umalimu umosalimo, then tindi B alumomoka umulibe. Yeah, so ndi ubale ndithu apasoko tindi D umo D mulibe. Yeah, so you just take zose zulumo ndi zimene zulumo zibwetsa pamodzi. Okay, ababa batitopeka chitsanzo cha okay, utokhala kuti pali makwaya awiri. Kwaya A muna chitsitsimutso kwaya ndi chipulumutso kwaya. Ndiyo peza kuti pali mmodzi mwa inu amayimba mu chitsitsimutso komanso amayimba mu chipulumutso. Anthu makwaya wa chitsitsimutso ndi chipulumutso akagwirizana. Yeah, kuti aone kuti alipo anthu angati. Iwe sangakuwerenge kawiri ndiwe modzi basi. So that's what is happening here, kuti ngatali apali apa tungotenga A modzi. Okay, apa alipo wa muso alimbo tungotenga E modzi. Yeah, paiyo ajena ndi munthu mmodzi yemweyo, ndi chinthu chimodzi chomwecho chimene chipezeka ku chipezeka so. Okay, ali ndi magulu awiri, chabwera magulu acha asakanikirana abwera chipani modzi, abwera mabala umodzi. So basically that's that. Yeah, let's look at X union Y union Z. Okay, we have X, we can take all the X elements. Okay, D, E. Okay, then we have Y. Okay, that's Y, which means it's this one. A union Y. There. E, then B. Okay? A union Y. Then union Z. So let's look at Z. A alipo kale, B alipo kale, kuma F alipe. Yeah, no the F also. Yeah, so X union Y union Z gives us that. Alright? Then let's look at Y union Z. Y union Z. So that's Y. Let's put Y SM. Okay? Then let's look at Z. Z alimo, umuso alimo. So the moyo sisinda alimo. B alimo, umuso alimo. Okay? F muzeda alimo kuma mwaya palipe. So F aweneka kale now. Yeah, so that's union. Yeah, that's that. And then let's look at the X union Z. X union Z. Let's look at that. X. Let's put all elements of X. Then let's look at Z. Mu Z alimo, mu X alimo. So this is A moyo. B mu X mulibe. Let's look at tumugani. Tumuige. F mu X so mulibe. Tumuige. Right? Yeah, it's just like that. Yeah. The number is right with X complements and you Z complement. But that's our universal set, I think. Yeah, that's our universal set. Yeah, so that's our universal set. In other words, the set many kubanga comprise shina jiri yose. All said. Yeah. So X complement ndode ma elements amenalo mu universal set atu yo komano side mu X. Okay? So we look at X. X A mwalimo so seditenga and D mwalimu seditenga E mwalimu seditenga. So we have that one. So that's it. Basically X complement. In this case, X complement will be equal to B, C, and F. That's X complement. Then let's look at Z complement. Z complement. For Z we have A, which means A seditenga. Z has B, B seditenga. Z has F, F seditenga, which means in this set we have C, D, and E. Okay, so therefore we have Antawili our X and Z, which means XZ, X complement, complement X, and Z complement. Z complement. This one should be equal to. So here we have B, to remember C, and F. Okay, C umu alimo, D umu mulibe amene timuika, E so mulibe timuika. Okay, so in simple terms, that's your X complement union Z complement. Yeah, I hope with this example, you'll be able to identify my elements union sets. Zinthu zitatu ziwiri set awiri kapena atatu. Should be able to identify my union. Kachidwe ndikumwika ndithu. Yeah. Now, timalize by looking at solving real problems involving sets. Kumano kugwiritsa ntchito Venn diagrams. Yeah, Venn diagrams basically in mathematics are also used to solve problems which might be more difficult to solve without the use of Venn diagrams. Okay? Yeah, but my problems ambiri amene timakumana nawo mmoyo amene Venn diagram imakaya yothandisa kwambiri. So on this part you need to revise what the Venn diagram imayeneka kukhala yotani ku previous lesson yathu. So example ndimeneyo unena kuti in a group of 20 college students, 12 are taking mathematics. Ndikuti ndi ana 20 pa college. Kandi university kuli pali ana 20. Amene pa ana 20 pa ana 12 taking mathematics, akupanga masamu. Ana 10 doing physics. And ana 14 they're doing chemistry. Okay? So in this case, pali seti ya mathematics, there is a set ya physics, there is a set ya chemistry. Okay? So those are the things when mmayeneka kudziwa ndithu nena kuti those are sets ndithu. Pali set ya ana ikupanga masamu. There is also another set ya ana ikupanga physics. Another set ya ana ikupanga chemistry. So pali ana 6 amene akupanga mathematics and physics. Okay? Ana 6 they are doing both mathematics and physics. And the 4 are doing chemistry and physics. And the 8 are doing mathematics and chemistry. Each student is taking at least one of these subjects. Each student at least one of these subjects. How many of the students are taking all the 3 subjects? Okay? I will debate on what amene akupanga ma subject onse pana ndangati. Okay, so meta ndenera kuti let's say we have 3 sets. Okay, that's solving now. Huh? Yeah, solving now. Solving, we have 3 sets. And let mathematics, or let's just say maths, let maths is equal to M, and physics should be represented by P, and chemistry should be represented by C. So tenima set atatu amene represented by those letters: maths, physics, chemistry. And then we are going to let maybe we should also let, maybe let's say Y to be equal to number of students doing all 3 subjects. Okay. Yeah, so basically that's that. Now, let's draw a Venn diagram out. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this sets. Right. Tulinde number ya ana imene kupanga ma subjects so ndiye titanayo imene khali Y. Okay? So total ya ana onse ndi 20. Okay? The universal set, in other words, is 20. Number of students, that's the universal set, 20. Okay? So, they're saying 12 are taking mathematics, 10, so let's label them. Let's say this one should be maths, this set should be physics, and this set should be chemistry. Alright? So, tikapita apa kuti 6 take mathematics and physics. Maths and physics alipo 6. So iza kuti amene akupezeka apa. Akupezeka pamene papa. Lero tipeze apa tikhala 6 minus y. Okay? Ndikuti akupezeka apa okapa. Total ndimene 6. You can see that 6 minus y plus y is equal to 6. So we have done nothing there. Tango zilemba munjira onena kuti tikhale ndi ana 6 amene akupanga maths komanso amene akupanga physical science. And the other thing, 4 students are doing chemistry and physics. So chemistry and physics, there are 4 students. We'll do the same. 4 minus y. Okay? 4 minus y. So you'll find out that y plus that one, it will give you total students as 4 doing physics and mathematics. And we also have 8 doing mathematics and chemistry. So we'll do the same. 8 minus y doing mathematics and chemistry. Okay? Yeah, so in this case, tukutsala ndi ana amene ali apa, amene akupanga masamu okha, ana amene akupanga physical science okha, ana amene akupanga chemistry okha. Okay? So we need to find those ones. Chifukwa toto yonse ana onse amene ali mu set imene toto akakwenika atipatse ya 20. Okay? Yeah, so komano remember tukunena kuti 12 students are taking mathematics. 12 students are taking mathematics. 12 are taking mathematics. 12 are taking mathematics. So that amena upanga masamu mu set A. Ali bangade 12. Ndikuti tidziwa amene ali apa tikuyeneka tichotsawa. Ndikuti tidziwa amene akutsala pati apa amene akupanga masamu okha. Okay. Yeah, so let's continue. So it will be total, but but 12 students are doing maths. Okay. Okay, yeah. So tukufuna tibeze eno now to find those doing maths only. Okay, so it will be 12 minus that one. Okay. Yeah, so 12 minus, we have to add these ones. The particular uyo, to base the number of those students, then 12 minus ameneo to your up. Okay? So let's do that by putting that big bracket. So if we add, we have 6 minus y, okay, plus 6 minus y plus y plus 8 minus y. Okay, so we have 12 minus, okay, we take that out, y plus 8 minus y. Okay, so you have 12 minus 6 plus 8, that's 14, minus y plus y, that will go, you remain with minus y. So if you take out the bracket, you remain with 12 minus 14 plus y. Okay, so it will be y minus 12 minus 14, that's minus 2. Okay, so up and there good value y minus 2. Okay, I hope we are together. That's that. Then tipeze apa kuli tipeze na mina kubanga physical science yoka without my subjects now lero tukeneka tidziwe ana mina lo amene atubatsa kuti ana onse amene akupanga physical science alipo amene akupanga physics, that is alipo 10. Okay, so we'll do the same. Say but 10 students are doing physics. Now for us to find those doing physics only, which means will be 10 minus, okay, in this case 6 minus y plus y plus 4 minus y. Okay, so that will be minus. Remove those brackets, you have that. Okay, so it will be 10 minus 6 plus 4, that's 10. Now y and y, that will go and remain with minus y. So if we take out that, it will be 10 minus 10 plus y, which means it's y. Okay, which means apa pari y up. Okay, then tipeza mene akubanga chemistry yoka. Okay, let's add slides. Yeah, so yeah, basically that's that. Then tipeza mene alpha. So it will be chemistry now sari wangadi 14. Okay, chemistry was so the particizana amene then 14 minus shots amene ndolari batsana amene amangobanga chemistry yoka without doing those other subjects. Okay, so let's do that, which means it will be 14 minus 8 minus y, but 14 students were doing chemistry. Now let's see, now to find students doing chemistry only. Okay, so total by the root 14 minus 8 minus y plus y. Okay, 8 minus y plus y, then 4 minus y. Minus y. Okay, so that's 14 minus 8 minus y plus y plus 4 minus y. Okay, so you have 14. Okay, here minus, so that's 8 and 4, that's 12. This and this will go minus y. So the 14 minus 12 plus y. So 14 minus 12, you have 2 plus y. Okay, so there you have 2 plus, y plus 2. Okay, so all these students alipo 20. So tuweka diphatikizile ana usiwa alumu union ya ma set yourself set diphatikizile ya dipasi chani 20. Okay, so to do that, but the group of but the students, the group had 20 students. Therefore, y minus 2, 6 minus y, all those as well as advanced 20. Okay, so we have y minus 2, okay, plus we have y minus 2 there, y minus 2, then 6 minus y, 6 minus y. Okay, that one done, this one done, then y. Okay, so done y. Then plus 8 minus y. And plus this done, that done, so y plus 2 y plus 2, then 4 minus y plus 4 minus y, and plus this gives that y. The total for this should be equal to 20. Okay, so yeah, so we have y minus 2 plus 6, we are removing brackets, plus y plus 8 minus y plus y plus 2 plus there 4 minus y plus y. Okay, so takuona minus 2 plus 6. Let me take a calculator. So we have negative 2 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 4 That's 18. So you have 18. Okay, so plus y minus y, so that will go. Plus y minus that will go. Plus y. So that y and that y will go. So have plus y. All this is equal to 20. So in this case, we just make y subject of the formula to be 20 minus 18, which is y is equal to 2. Yeah, so we have y is equal to 2. So we have y as 2. So let's go and back look at our question. That was our question. How many of the students are taking all the 3 subjects? So all the 3 subjects, it has to be M intersect D intersect C. Okay, which means in the y is equal to y, and that is y wouldn't be 2. Alright, which means M intersect of E intersect of C is equal to y, which is equal to 2. In other words, ana awiri ndamina mapanga ma subject onse. Out of 20 students, only 2 could do mathematics, physics, and chemistry at one go. Okay, so pata ujoga mafusa mbili hapa. Nitizina zote kambila na haswe kwalo. Kama for this question, that is that. Tutoko senu kuti tunali remote. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Let's be there together next week. Remember to like the lessons, share, kuti titofika ntuso ambiri. So wambiri, kalendisa bada wabambani.